Hi there, Greg Flaherty with Penny Realty. So one question I get from a lot of our property owners and clients is, what are rents going to do in 2023 here in the San Diego market? So many of you know that rents, they've been on an absolute tear here in San Diego. We've had some large yearly increases. Is that going to continue? So while nobody knows or has a crystal ball, there are strong indicators of what we might see in 2023. So here are the top 4 forces or factors that I believe will dictate rent prices over the next year. One is inflation. It's pushing everything higher. Have you been to a restaurant lately? The prices are shocking. Or grocery shopping. How about the price of eggs? They're ridiculous. There's people out there, they're buying chickens now so they can afford eggs. Seriously. Anyways, this puts general upward pressure on prices. Do you know that San Diego is the 4th most expensive rental market in the nation? And the top 5, they're all in California. It's probably no big surprise to you. However, rents in San Diego, they peaked in the summer of 2022, and they've been on a gradual slide down since September of 22. So our year over year home rent increase, which take January 23 versus 22, it's only 3.8%, kind of surprising. So item number 2, we've had general inflation. We've also had a real estate sales market that's slowed down dramatically. Over the last 12 months, the number of homes sold is down 37%. That's a big drop. And we have a lot of new clients, they're coming to us because they're unable to sell their home. A lot of these buyers, they're being chased away by super high interest rates and other factors. So 3, because of all this, I believe inventory of rentals is going to increase. And they're nice homes that are coming online. A lot of them are homes that folks lived in. There was their primary home and they made them really nice. And now they need to move for whatever reason, so they've opted to rent it out for income. So we have more supply of homes and condos. And then the 4th factor, and at the same time we have more supply, we have rental demand decreasing. People, they're tightening their financial belt. They see a possible recession coming, or they're moving in with mom and dad, or they're getting another roommate and doubling up. So more supply of homes plus decreased demand and no bidding wars, in my opinion, leads to mostly rent stabilization, possibly a small drop in rent coming up. So, but we don't see rents crashing, and we certainly don't see them jumping up and spiking like they did here recently. So the major theme for rents in 2023 is stabilization. In 2024, who knows? But if I was a betting man, I'd say rents resume their upward trajectory next year. Okay, that's all for now. If you need to know what your property might rent for, contact us here at Penny Realty. We'd love to help you out. Thanks for listening.